2015 Honda Civic EX. It's a certified unit. It's got 31,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax and one owner. Go ahead and give you the walk around of the vehicle. And we'll go ahead and make our way down the driver's side of the vehicle here. Everything's in good shape. No problems on that side of the car. Make our way across the back. It is equipped with a backup camera. Just one small little scuff right there on the bumper. Alright, and it's this really cool urban titanium color, kind of like a pewter, like a grayish brown. Really pretty looking car. Alright, everything looks good coming down the passenger side of the vehicle. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Alright, door panel's in good shape. It's this beige color with really nice cloth insert right there. Power locks, power windows. Alright, it's got the beige cloth on the driver's seat. Okay. Everything looks good here. A little small stain right here on the back of the driver's seat. Alright. It does have two key fobs with it as well. Passenger seat looks like it's in good shape. No problems there. I'll go ahead and pan back and open this up for you. It is equipped with sunroof. Alright, get a shot of that for you. Alright, it is an automatic. HDMI, USB, and power outlet there. Got your climate controls there. Nice big touchscreen with a backup camera. I'll turn that on for you in just a second. It does have steering wheel audio controls and Bluetooth. Your blind spot monitoring system, and I'll show you that in a second as well. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, I'm going to give you a shot of the mileage here. It's got 31,560 miles. And I'll pan back out and show you your control panel here. Let me dull the light down on it just a little bit. Shut the sunroof, get that glare off of there. There we go. Alright, there's your home screen. Okay. Alright, and there's another shot of it as well. I'm going to engage your backup camera. Okay. And the lines do move with the wheel. Alright, so that's convenient. Alright, it is equipped with the CD player. I was also going to show you this blind spot monitoring system. Alright, you push the button over here that I showed you earlier to the left of the steering wheel when you make a lane change. Alright, and it's going to show up a screen in your blind side of the vehicle. You can see the side of the car running down there on the left of the screen. Alright, and that's everything to the right of it. That would be your blind side. Alright, really cool feature there. It comes on when you hit the button or when you make a right lane change. Okay, it'll come on as a really cool feature. One of my favorite features about Hondas. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the back seat. Alright, we'll go ahead and take a look back here. Just a few stains back here on the back seat. You can kind of see some discoloring right there. Not bad, just real minor stuff. You can barely see it, but I still want to point that out to you. Alright, the rest of the cloth back here is in good shape. Alright, everything looks good. Go ahead and lean up here. Kind of give you the driver's eye view of the layout. I'll let you see all that. Everything's really laid out really well. Things well taken care of. Alright, let's go ahead and take a step back here, look in the trunk, see what kind of space you're dealing with back here. Alright, carpet's in good shape. Go ahead and step to the side so you can see the depth back here. Alright. Plenty of trunk space. Alright, everything's nice and clean back here. Alright, I'll go ahead and take you around. Let's take a look at the passenger seat from this angle over here. As you can see, everything looks good. No problem with the passenger seat. Door panel's in good shape as well. Let's go and take a look at the wheels and tires. 16-inch alloys on here. Goodyear tires. It's a brand new set of tires. Alright, you can see the depth in the tread there, still got the lines on it. Alright, and just to recap, it's a 2015 Honda Civic EX. It's a certified unit. It's got 31,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. All right, come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thank you for watching the video.